Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be making a homemade power cable for an old phone which has a dead battery. We're going to be using a Samsung C5220 flip phone which was released in 2009. The battery on it has expanded and doesn't work, so the only way to power it is by connecting it directly to a power source such as a USB port. For this you're going to need an old USB printer cable with the end cut off, a paper clip, a pair of kitchen scissors or wire strippers if you have them. Now the first thing you're going to do is strip the cable with the scissors or strippers. Wire strippers would be better because using scissors was quite difficult, so I've sped up this process just so it doesn't bore you too much. Now you need to remove the wire braid and aluminium coating from the wire and then cut it off with scissors. The next thing you need to do is cut off the green and white data wires from the cable, as they won't be needed for this. And now you need to strip back the black and red power cables so the wire is exposed. Now this was quite difficult to do with scissors, so I've cut it, but it'd be much easier if you had wire strippers available. Now you need to bend the paper clip so it's straight, and then you need to cut two small sections off it. Now this can be quite tricky to do with scissors. It took me a while and a lot of force to actually cut through the metal, so you need to be careful with that. Now you need to wrap each wire around one of the paperclip sections so it's fairly secure and not likely to come off. And those paperclip sections will connect into the battery terminals of the phone. Now we're going to grab the phone, and as you can see it doesn't turn on, it has no battery in it. We're going to take the battery cover off, and just a quick note here, it's very important that you connect the black wire to the left and the middle terminal. The left terminal is negative ground and the middle terminal is something to do with sensing the life of the battery. And then you need to connect the red wire to the right positive terminal. Now this can be quite fiddly to do. Sometimes the paperclip bits don't quite fit in the gap between the terminals, so you need to make sure that the two different paperclips aren't touching. Also note, it's very easy for the paperclips to come undone and fall off, and then the phone will just shut off. Now all you need to do is carefully pick up your phone, probably hold the paperclips down so they don't come off, and power it on, and we're done. So this is it, my custom charger for old phones that don't have a working battery. Probably don't use your phone too much with it like this because it'll probably cause some sort of damage to the components inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.